Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors on the
Homestead.
You act like you're never ready.
On the homestead.
Alright guys, today we're hoping to find some more spaulted maples since the last log we cut up, 2 logs we cut up.
Did we lose it?
Sold really quick.
Did we lose some maple spalted?
No.
Did we lose it?
No.
We said you're hoping to find some.
Yeah, I know, hoping to find some.
I thought you lost it.
So, we got a couple of logs today. One of them was a snag cut down in a fire.
A forest fire.
A forest fire.
Was started by no other person than Lumberjack.
And the other 2 logs were a tree that came down in the swamp. They got mushrooms all over them, so we're hoping they got spalting in them. The one we got on the mill right now was one snag that we took down in the forest fire. It was on fire in the top, and
is that
we couldn't get it out.
Is that swamp maple?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's just a maple that fell in the swamp.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys, let's get started on these logs. Hopefully they're spalted, and if they are, we're going to get rid of them real quick. The wood, that is.
I think we got something pulled out the box.
Well, maybe have a customer. All right, we'll be with you in a minute. All right, guys. Well, since the intro, about a week has passed. Almost a week. We're 6 days. We didn't quite saw the log we were sitting on. We're going to saw it tomorrow morning. As you can see, we've gotten quite a bit of snow in the last week. A lot more than we had last Saturday. All right, so tonight, this is Friday night, we're going to run up, grab a cherry log. We're getting a little low on cherry in the box, so we need to put some cherry in there. We got 1 cherry log down. We're going to try to get to it. The trails are kind of rough, and break the trails as well.
Yeah, we got an order for some spalted too.
And we got an order for spalted maple, so hopefully the maple we cut tomorrow is spalted. All right, guys, we're going to go get the log, and then we'll get sawing in the morning. All right, unbelievably, we were able to get up here. Tim got backed over the log somehow. Did you see that bed?
No, I didn't.
It's right over here.
A lot of tracks up here.
Yeah, a lot of tracks.
Oh, yeah.
Animal bed right there. I don't think it's a deer. It's too small for a deer, I think.
It's been there a while though. It's got snow on it.
Well, since the big snowstorm and then before the last one. All right, we got chain around it. Log arches over it. We're afraid the log might have been froze to the ground. Looks like it's coming up pretty good in the back. Not so much in the front. All right, hold on, I'll push down.
Frozen to the ground.
It's frozen to the ground. We got a big fat log up. About 7 feet long, but it's a nice big log. It'll have a lot of good wood in it. And we need some wood for the box. All right, we're gonna attempt to head down the hill. So far, so good. Got to drop down into the swamp, and then we got to go uphill. That may be where we run into a problem. So far, it's looking good. Unbelievable what these 4-wheelers will do. All right, this will be the difficult spot right here. Looking good. All right, mission is complete. Tomorrow we'll be sawing, everybody. Boy, how things have changed in a week, huh? All right, we're going to get the sawmill opened up and start sawing. It's a beautiful day, 37 degrees right now. Don't know what we do to deserve these nice warm temperatures, but we'll take them. All right, so we have 2 maples here that came out of the swamp. We're hoping that they're spalted. They've got mushrooms on them. That's a good sign. And then we got the cherry we drug out last night. It's about 7 foot long, but we will get some good boards out of it. It's a nice big cherry. Got a bend in it, so we might even be able to get some ovals out of it, which are really great. And then we got this one on the mill. Like we said in the intro, this one was a dead snag. It was on fire. We had to cut it down to keep the fire from spreading with the wind. It was a controlled burn. Take my word for it. No matter what Tim says. All right, Tim will be with us in a minute, and we're going to get busy. Now, we just put this blade on the mill, and I have a bunch of resharpened blades downstairs. I've lost track of each blade, what they were supposed to be, second, third, fourth sharpenings, whatever. So we're going to try each one, and as they dull, we're going to get rid of them painfully, but you're only supposed to be able to sharpen them 3-4 times, and some of these blades have been resharpened 6-7 times, maybe even 10. All right, guys, let's get on, get things warmed up. Okay, so we're going to start our first cut at 5/4. We'll saw these potentially spaulted logs up at 5/4 because people like the 5/4. They can plane them down to 1 inch. Alrighty, still waiting on Tim. He'll be here directly. Right, Tim's here. We're going to do our first cut. Open this baby up and see what we have. That's one of the blades that been resharpened.
Yeah.
And
it's not doing very good.
Yeah, it's not doing very good. We're gonna have to change blades real quick. See all the waves?
Especially on this end.
Alrighty, we'll change the blade, be back in a little while. Tim sharpened 9.5. So this is one of the ones you sharpened.
Well, we'll see how that works.
Let's open it up. Perfect.
Uh-huh. Didn't get in the dirt, that's for sure.
I want you to pay attention. There's no blood to snow either.
And just like that, it's changed.
All right, got ourselves a rough edge right there. Good thing we're cutting at 5/4.
Rustic edge.
It's rustic, all right.
Egads.
Egads.
I don't think yours is quite as tough as mine is. You're testing it, though. Go ahead.
Uh-oh. I got to check your ID.
Why?
I never saw this before, but it says, warning, nobody under 18 operates or goes.
Oh, my God.
Never saw that before.
Well, I'll see you later. I can't operate this.
Need your ID.
I'm only 17.
I got to card you, Bubba. Sorry. All right. Let's give that Tim Sharp blade a try. Not as bad. Not as bad. Well, the blade's cutting good, but the tooth offset. Looks like we got one bent tooth on it. Not too bad. We're going to run with it for a little while. Well, that worked out good, huh? I jammed the blade because the log moved, and the log moved because I had a bored wedge in the log, which always works, except this time. And we bent the blade. We're going to use it. I'm going to run it till it's dull.
Guess what I hear? Fire whistle.
I hear the fire whistle. I don't hear any coyotes.
They're too busy eating the coyote sickles.
have good days and we have bad days, and today isn't starting out very well.
Well, when you went by us watching it, and it's going like this.
Yeah, I think we messed up the blade. There goes another one for the dumpster. God, this kills me.
What'd you grab? A new blade?
No, this is a Rick France resharp 3 times. 3 times is okay. We're still within the limit. Let's see how this one goes.
God forbid he put a new blade on here, people.
Come on, new blade.
God forbid he put a new blade on
How much
there.
a new blade costs?
Folks, if it can go wrong, it will go wrong. What's the matter now? He's over there scraping on something.
Press bark on the back.
Piece of bark. Watch your hand on that blade. Is that all for that log? Is that all for that log? Oh, thank God!
All right, we got figured maple, no spalting, a couple of wormholes in there. Kind of disappointing, and this has been a log from hell. It took us an hour to saw this log up. But we got a crotch in it. The crotches will sell quickly. I think the rest of it will sell pretty quick as well. I'm wondering if I'm hitting dirt in the bark. I know there was a lot of dirt I chipped off our ice. All right, so we just had a fellow stop by and get some birch from us, and we say box. This is what we're talking about, the box. We put wood in here. We got fans blowing on the wood 24/7. Helps dry it out pretty fast. Our plow guy didn't plow out the box on the last storm, so now he's plowing it out now. Well, we're out here plowing and help the customer, and now people are coming by and seeing us out here, and things are picking up. That's good. We'll get back to sawing in just a minute. It's been a heck of a day. So we had a couple customers, showed you the box, and come back over. Four-wheeler had a flat tire, my four-wheeler, that one. Put some slime in the tire. Took her for a quick ride to get the slime spread out. All right, so there's no spalting in this maple, but it is highly figured. It is a crotch. Took us over an hour to cut it. We get $80 an hour to mill. So let's see if we'll recoup our money. We just counted the pieces we have. We'll make about $90 off this log, so we made out all right. We will make out all right. All right, so we got 2 more logs to do. Let's see where we got. So we just put this piece, we're going to stack this in the wood shed for now. But just take a look at this piece right here. It's got water on it, it got wet. But that's what it's going to look like when it's finished with polyurethane. That really is turned out nice. Highly figured.
Yeah, look at there. He shoveled sawdust and snow. So that's lumberjack and the abominable snowjack.
See the mushrooms?
Oh.
Gotta be spalting here.
He says mushrooms. Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah.
There better be spalting this one.
Well, we'll see. Look at the mushrooms on that baby. And moss too.
Mossy butt. All right, this maple's going to be a little challenging. It's pretty knotty. The only part about it being knotty is it's going to get on this side. It's hard to get the guide by it. So we're going to have to cut them a little bit with a chainsaw to make it flat. The log's laying good. It's ready to cut. Just got to get those knots out of the way. And then this big knot on this side is going to be a problem when we roll it. All right, so we decided not to cut these knots off. The knees were able to push the log far enough over to where the blade guide will pass. This is going to be the only problem here, but I think we're going to cut above it. And once we get a flat spot, we'll roll it. The reason we do not want to cut the knots off is that we're going to cut this into slabs, and people love those knots on the side of the slabs. Anything unique, they just love it, and it sells quickly, so we're going to try to leave them on. The unveiling. There's spaulting. There's a little spaulting. Alright, we're going to cut one more flat spot on it. Guys, we have some spaulting in this, not as much as we'd like to see. We're going to roll it over and do it from the other side and see what we got. Still pretty wood though. That it? No, I gotta make one more cut, but I can't go down any further.
Why?
My 2x2 that we have against the back will be a 5/4 by 2, and I don't want to do that.
Okay.
So we gotta flip it over. We gotta get these other boards off first.
Okay.
We'll see what we got.
All right.
It's your own risk.
All right, we got some spaulting, not as much as we'd like to see, but it's okay. Still got nice figured wood in there. But the next log down from this one should have spaulting in it. Those big knots like that right there sticking off the side, people like those. Coffee tables, end tables, nightstands. Well, it's unique to say the least. It does have spaulting in it. A little bit more here in the center. This one's got a good amount in it.
On the ends.
I'd like to see that right there throughout the whole board.
Look at that cool where the knot is.
Yeah.
Got it right here on the edge.
All right, so I think I hit something in this knot on about the 4th cut. We're starting to get little whoopties around the knots, which means the blade is dull. And it's starting to score the wood a little bit, which means we bent a tooth. And that makes Tim happy. Why?
Get rid of it!
It hurts my heart to get rid of good blades, but
It's not good. Oh, good God. 1,000 uses.
it's only been sharpened 3 times.
Only 3 times. Past 72.
Waste not, want not. We have one more cut to make. We had to turn it over. It's too bad we couldn't leave it like that. That's 2.5 inches thick. And that would make a great bar top. Trouble is everybody wants a bar top. They want the thing 20 inches wide.
We'll be able to park a car on
I could put a bar top like that in my house if I had room.
it. Yeah.
How wide is a bar top in your house? It's only 18 inches, isn't it?
Yeah, breakfast bar.
That's plenty wide enough. All right, one more cut, and we're done with this one. Then we're going.
To bed.
No, we're not.
Huh?
We're going coyote hunting.
Now turn the heat up. I'm going to bed.
We get the snow on here.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe from the acres and acres of snow we've got here. Duh.
Guys, we got this one all sawed up. It does have spaulting in it. Not as much as we'd like to see, but it's got some really cool patterns. So we assess what we have here. We'll make at least 125 off of this log, maybe a little bit more. Depends on how big the customer's eyes gets when he looks at the wood. But at any rate, we're done for today. Still got 2 more logs to go, and then the cherry out here. We'll cut them this week if it doesn't get too cold. Right now, we're gonna head up, go coyote hunting.
Oh, well.
All right, guys. So we appreciate you watching our videos. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. You know, the like. Notifications bell so you don't miss our future videos.
Ding ding.
And hit that playlist. We got 3 playlists. 2 of them are full-length videos. Our hours are coming up. We're doing good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, we'll catch you later.
Sawdust, I'll see you later.
Bye.